Hi guys, welcome to the SecureRelicusRoad installation video. It's pretty simple to install it. So once you make the purchase, in your order confirmation you can download this file, which is must read important, and open this file. So you'll be told to send your MT4 login account ID. Do not send us the password. A lot of people are sending us the password for no reason. We do not need the password, we just need the account ID. Okay, so the order ID to our email support. So we will activate your indicator through the web terminal. Okay, join our Discord server. Here you're gonna get updates, answers to your questions, and make sure you ask questions that you cannot just Google. Okay, and ask questions that will help you become a better trader. That's the whole goal of the community. We have really great traders here who are making a lot of money, okay, myself included. So what you need to do is filter your questions so we can answer, because otherwise we're just gonna get annoyed. No offenses. So good luck. We have training videos, so once you start, just watch all of these trainings, okay, and then ask questions, because all of your questions are answered in these training videos. If you're not willing to do this, you're just gonna be, willing to donate money to the market, and that's a loss. So here, if you do not learn, you're up for a failure. So learn as much as you can, because this is one of those skills that will stay with you no matter what. You don't just have to upgrade. The more knowledge, the better, right? So you can directly catch this type of skill without any need for someone's help. Okay, so what you need is a Windows PC. Okay, if you do not have it, you can get a VPS from Alexis. He provides a very cost-effective VPS in the market. That's around 50 or 60 a month, but he has the same thing for 15. We partnered up with him. There is no commission to us at all. It's just to give more value to our users. Okay, and what he's charging is literally like free giveaway anyways. So you can subscribe for that, and you can also, once you've done that, you can also connect to the VPS. This is a virtual private server. Okay, it runs 24/7. So you can connect your phone through your phone and see the whole terminal. We do not prefer that you trade through phone, because you're gonna lose money. I do not know a single person who has made money through phone long term. If you cannot just sit down and make money on the PC, okay, for 2-3 hours a day, do not trade. You don't want to take trades all the day long. Okay, that's just waste of time and money. Okay, so sit down for 1-2 hours and just be really good at that point. Now, broker IC markets, the lowest spreads and commissions, that's what we prefer. Okay, and there's another one, Trickmill. So just register with IC markets if you can. Okay, and we'll give another option later. Trickmill, you can just go directly, or there'll be a link here. So we recently partnered up with them, so this is the link that you can use. So now Discord is done. On our Discord server, we have a lot of people. So I'll give you an introduction to the Discord before we get to the installation video, because I know a lot of people don't have patience for that, so that's why we're doing it first. So let's go. So here is our Discord server, and once you join, you'll get to this welcome screen. You have to accept our rules. Okay, rules are no promotion, nothing like that. And once you've joined, you cannot send any links or messages or pictures here, right? So, or also you cannot just get access to these two. Okay, that's to avoid the spam and scammers that we have. We'll just have this flooded with scammers otherwise if you don't do this. So what you gotta do is send the order ID to me. Okay, once you do that, I'll just upgrade you looking at your order ID. Then you will have access to these. You can look at the profit screenshots, troubleshooting if it's not working. Here's the guide, training videos, everything is here. The latest you'll find here. If you do not find that in the must read, these are feature requests. People are requesting features and we're doing it. Bugs, if you have any issues with that, this is the template. We'll have more templates in future. So So you can just copy those templates and install them. Google that, how to install a template in MT4. Okay, it's a pretty easy process. So these are our tips. You can look at tips, and these are add-ons. If you don't have them, maybe later in future we add more, so you can download from here. And that's it. This is our live trading area, okay, where we trade live sessions. Soon we'll have them again. Okay, so we've taken a little bit of a break because we're busy with the updates. Okay, so that's it. Now we're gonna get back to the installation. So you have to understand the installation file is a zip file which is RelicusRoad indicator.zip. Okay, you need a zip opener. If your PC does not recognize the .zip file, it will probably recognize. Okay, just double click or right click, it'll say extract or something here, something like that. Okay, so if you do not have it, you can download it from the site is called 7zip.org. Okay, you can download from here, or you can just open it. All right, so once we have the file, we're gonna open it, right? And just copy these, okay? Control C, just extract them. If it's Windows, just extract them and then copy them, okay? So we're copying them. So what we're gonna do now is go to MT4 terminal, go to open data folder, okay? And there we are. Now here, we're just, in this folder, don't go anywhere, okay? Just Control C or paste, okay? Control V or paste. So to do this, what you have to do is close the terminal first, okay? Close the terminal and then paste it, right? So let's say we do that, and if it says replace the files in destination, that will happen once we get once you're doing this as an update. Once you get an update, you'll have the same file. Just go Control V and Control C and V. We're gonna just paste it. If you get a message, just replace the files, okay? And that's it. And you need the MT4 terminal closed, okay? It'll just update your indicator. So this is it. There is no complication. If you do not understand it, watch the video again, okay? Now, go to Tools, all right? Options, all right? That's where we have to be. Go to Expert Advisors. In here, allow DLL imports, okay? This is for third-party applications. So this is a third-party application. We need DLL imports, okay? This is the file required because this is encrypted and secure, so it cannot be hacked. So we have all the code in our DLL file, which is also, once you paste the files, it will also be there. But for it to work, because the code is in DLL file, you have to allow this, okay? And after that, you can just go to templates, and in future, if we do that, maybe you'll not see as the default. Right click, template, RelicusRoad, black or white. We'll have two variations, okay? Here, it's RelicusRoad black, okay? If I just press this, so what it's gonna do is load the template, okay? And if it's, it takes time, if it has like a getting stuck or something, that's really fine because it's doing verification, okay, from the website. You need internet for this, so let it just verify from the website. Sometimes there is a connection slow, so that's fine. That's also okay. Here we go. So it is loaded, right? Do not press any button or try to close it. Okay, just let it run. All right, so it's simple, pretty simple. That's it. It's loaded. Okay. There is nothing more complicated here. And this is where you can go to indicator list, and you can just go to indicator. Okay. And these are the settings. Look at settings. If you want some arrows, just try all these settings, enabling arrows. The arrows will not appear right now, okay, due to the limitations. So the arrows will appear live as per the calculations, okay? Otherwise it would get pretty heavy for us. So to make it lightweight, currently in MT4, once we move to MT5 or TradingView, we're gonna have it show past arrows also. But currently you have to run it. So where do you think that you would see arrows? Let me just explain to you. The arrows would appear when the price is above the red level or below the green level. Okay, these are green solid lines. So red, these are solid lines. Okay, this is the road. These are, just forget it about now. Okay, once you watch the training videos, you'll understand what these levels are. But these are the first levels, okay, where we can expect an arrow to appear. That is yellow arrows. Those are the original arrows, okay, I mean the main arrows, primary. You'll also see some red arrows. For example, you go to here, you say show MACD arrows. These are based on MACD but improved with the road. Okay, this is MACD strategy but improved, so you can get more risk reward, okay, and better entries. So you'll see those entries also, but you have to wait. Okay, they cannot just, it'll just not tell you to enter here because it's pretty dumb to enter at this point. We don't know if it's going to go up or down. Okay, we need to be sure where the price is going to go. So to have most probable accuracy, we need to show you once the entry is there, not just show you arrows on the point. So don't worry if you don't see any past arrows. Do not change any time frame or anything. Okay, if you change the time frame, it's going to go do recalculations and your arrows are going to disappear. Okay, so if you want, you can just right click, open new chart. If you want to have 5 time frames, right, 1 minute or 5 minutes, so you want to have just open a new chart. Do not just change anything. If you change any settings here also, okay, it's going to reset it. So just make sure, okay, so try everything and then change any settings and just save it. Don't touch it, okay, and let it run, do its calculations, and once you see arrows, you can look for an entry or exit. Okay, that's it. I think I've answered all the questions. So these are some things here: RSI, stochastic, CCI, momentum. In the new updates that you're going to see, we'll have more entries or color changings and a lot of things. These are removed in the new update because these don't matter anymore. We just explained to you these are the where you're gonna see entries. Okay, that's it. So these are support resistance. Just you can just, if it is not working, okay, it should work anyhow. If you install it perfectly, it should work. Just watch the video again. Okay, if you have some issues, go to indicator list, remove everything from here. Okay, delete, and then go to your Relicus Road folder. Okay, drag this here, okay, and press OK. Whatever settings you want, and then just press OK, and then you'll see it. Then you can add more things. Sometimes what you're doing is you have multiple Relicus Road indicators running, so each one is trying to overlap the other one. Okay, override. So that's gonna get you messed up. So if you have any issues, delete everything from here and then add into it again. Okay, that's it for the installation video. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you learn a lot from us. Okay, and you meet the goal that we want. We want our community to have 2,000 millionaires. This is my dream. Okay, we'll have 2,000 millionaires, and all of us are going to be friends regardless of the race, regardless of what language we speak, because at the end we speak the language of money anyways. Okay, so we're all, no discrimination, no nothing. Okay, no age factor. If someone is, let's say, our audience is from 18 to 64, okay, and most of the people are above 30, okay, 34, and so we do not want any distinction between the ages, because at the end, some person who is 18 might have more skill than you because he's had more time, or is able to spend more time, or has access to some things that you don't. Okay, and there are things that people of elderly age have more knowledge about that you don't. Okay, so just be respectful. Everybody has their own learning curve. Some people I've seen that do not even know how to use a PC that much. Okay, that's really fine because they have skills in some other thing. Okay, so it's kind of a bit frustrating also for us. So anyways, that's a part of learning anyhow. So what we expect from you guys is to Google the thing first. Okay, see, if we just become tech support, right, we cannot teach you to make money. Okay, if you want to make money, try to do everything yourself. If you do not understand after trying by yourself, then come to us. Okay, and then we'll help you out. Any question, whatever you have, that's the goal. Okay, you're getting all this for free. Trust me, Nobody does this, okay? Nobody's just gonna tell you anything for free. Even your relatives don't do that. But we have a dream, okay, to have these 2,000 people community, okay? And everybody is going to be a millionaire, and that's my dream. And some are already millionaires, so that's pretty okay also. They're gonna become multimillionaires then. So I know I'm promising a lot, but we can achieve it, okay? If I can achieve it, you guys can achieve it. I've come from a very tough place, so it's all grind. And I had no access to a lot of things, and I had to make access. Not, this is way too easy what we're doing, okay? So just welcome, join the community, have a nice time.